G'day, how you going? So I've come to Sydney, Vivid again, 2026, and I'm actually going on the DigiDirect, which is a kind of like a camera store here, big camera store, and Olympus, well, OM Systems, not Olympus. I can't believe it's been 7 years and I'm still calling them Olympus. They've hired a boat for us and we're going to jump on. Now I've just found out that the drones have been cancelled because about 18 of them crashed last and people were like freaking out. They started dropping out of the air. And one cool thing is that Olympus are going to be there, OM Systems, and they're going to let you try the lenses and stuff. Now I'm really looking forward to, if they've got it, the 8-25 lens. I've always had my eye on that lens. It's kind of like the lens where you get super wide 35 and then nifty 50. You know what I mean? It was $85 to get onto it, and they're going to give you, hopefully they're going to have some beer and some nut nibblies and stuff. Now I'm a bit pissed off that the drones aren't working. They said something about the radio frequency. It was out of whack. There's a bit of fog out tonight. That actually is center point, if you can believe it. Maybe that might actually be better for the vivid lights. Hey, how you going? Oh, thanks.
I'm stuck here.
You got a tangle.
Yeah, I got too many.
Thanks, mate.
Have you got your own memory card?
I just is this I love that.
Okay, so here you can borrow some lenses.
You want to shoot raw or JP? That's on raw, so whack it in while you go.
We can even borrow a camera if you want. I think it's time for a beer. You wouldn't believe it, they don't have the 8-25, but they do have this beauty. It's the 7-14 rectal linear legendary Olympus lens. Yes, so they don't have the 8-25. I'm thinking I've got my 12-40 anyway, so I really just wanted to look at the 8-25, but that's 7-14. I might put it on a bit later. That'd be pretty cool. Test out the 7-14. The DigiDirect guys are here. The guys who organised it with OM Systems, DigiDirect. This guy shoots Canon. I've met 2 Canon shooters already. We're about to throw my overboard. And there's the vivid lights already happening over there. That's Barangaroo. And from Barangaroo we go around and we head into the quay, I think. Circular quay. That's where all the action is. That's where that's where the harbour bridge is, and the opera house and the rocks. Okay, let's have a look. Excuse me. Okay, so we're up close with Vivid. Let's see if I can sneak in here.
Just don't go over here.
Don't be careful. Make sure you got your strap.
And it's like really hard algebra and stuff. Yeah. But it's all by hand.
2 years ago, when I went with DigiDirect 2 years ago, it was full on. I mean, we walked around. This is different. We're on the boat, and you do get epic views here. You couldn't get this when you're at Circular Quay, but I didn't think I would have needed a telephoto, but I thought I was going to go with the wide angle. The 40mm on this is pretty good, actually. Yeah, the 40mm is pretty good on this. So it's just enough, really. If you want anything more than 40mm, you're just going to zoom into someone's apartment. I'm at 1/13. There, got him. There you go. Vivid Sydney shot. There's the money shot. Oh, did you borrow a lens, did you?
I borrowed the body and the lens
Oh, really?
because I wanted to see how I like the OM3.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you'll love it. I've had it for 6 months now, and it's unreal. It's kind of like the Goldilocks of cameras.
If it had a better grip, I would have bought it straight away.
Yeah, I bought this little thing here. It's not too bad. It adds a little bit of chunk
If I have a
at the bottom.
film,
Yeah.
not for me. I'll wait.
Yeah, wait for the...
Wait.
Well, you got the OM1, have you?
I've got the OM5.
OM5, yeah.
I'm waiting. I'm thinking I'm gonna get the OM1 Mark II IR.
Infrared. I don't think... You reckon they'll bring it out? Or they already announced it? Here's the Harbour Bridge now. We need a super wide angle here. Okay, so you can go upstairs. I didn't realise. Be careful. Oh wow! I didn't realise you could come upstairs.
Would you be happy to be in a quick little video where I ask you what?
I'm actually making a video.
Hi.
I'll turn this off.
That's okay.
There you go. I just got interviewed by someone. Was that Olympus or DigiDirect? That hopefully that might make the promo. I doubt it.
Hi guys,
I don't understand the shop system.
Oh yeah. I think with the image stabilization, it's good enough. I think. I'm at 1/13 all night.
Okay, yeah.
And silent. I think silent as well too. Some bloke bought a film camera. It's the it's the Pen D. This is the this came after the Pen F. Talk about mint condition. That's unreal.
I think this came out before the F.
So it's like a portrait lens.
Yeah.
I like it for street photography.
You like the street photography?
Because I like to get up close to, but stand far back.
Yeah.
They stand far back, but you get up close, yeah. But it's 1.8, that's the beauty of it.
So light, so light.
I mean, look how fucking small it is.
This is what I'm saying.
It's amazing, yeah.
If I have to go out, a lens like this, or a lens like
Yeah, with a foot, that's a 90mm.
Yeah, exactly.
And 1.8.
And that one,
Human being.
Okay, everyone's got their lenses out. Everyone's measuring their lenses. Lens measuring. Now I'm going to put my 1.4 on.
last week.
Oh yeah.
I don't find it very good, the original one.
This one's Opala. The Panasonic 1.4.
Oh, okay.
25mm. She's a beauty. This is probably one of the best low light Panasonic ones. It's only small too.
Oh my god.
Yeah. But it's 1.4, which is pretty good. Oh wow, Luna Park. Okay, so I'm gonna my 1.4. It's pissing down too. 50mm. Right, that's a big lens, that one. Still raining.
Yeah.
Well, quickly. The 12 to 100. This is what I wanted to take to Japan.
Yeah, I took it today and I loved it.
Yeah. This is the 12 to 100. This is like the best lens to get. This is probably the lens I want to get the most, other than the 8 to 25. Oh yeah, holy underwear. Here we go, ready? I'll show you. There. F4. Let's take a photo. This is at 12. Oh, the range is amazing. There's a shot between, quick. The building in between. It's all the juxtaposition. Oh, g'day.
Sorry to interrupt. Just showing the and
let
that's
you.
yours there.
Ready?
Yeah. So nice big cheers, big smile.
Are you filming? Ready?
Satisfying. We love it.
That's satisfying. Here we go, ready?
Thank you.
Even better.
Even better. From the photographers. Yeah, I love that.
Cheers. Here's to Stone and Wood.
Yay! Thank you. I've just taken a couple there.
Things of Stone and Wood. That's actually a song.
Yeah.
Actually not too bad, this beer. Thanks, mate. No worries.
Thank you all for coming out tonight. I know the weather's not the ideal conditions we're all up, but just want to thank you for coming. Hope you all enjoyed it. And on behalf of myself and OM and DigiDirect, I want to thank you. And also thank them for hosting with Hampton's such a great evening. So yeah, just want to say thank you. Hope you enjoyed tonight and learned something new or captured some photos you may not have done before. And for those who borrowed the gear, more than welcome. Thank you for trying it out, and hope to see you again on another event with DigiDirect and maybe the Hamptons. Thank you very much.
Last night, yeah, how we drove along the Yarra.